You got a whole bunch of stuff, didn't you?
Yeah, I got everything.
Everything that you wanted?
Yeah.
That's a little bit.
This is like big girl makeup.
Yeah. I'm just doing it for a while.
Okay, let's do a tutorial.
No, I'm not doing it.
Yeah, we're gonna do a tutorial.
Can you read that? Even though you probably won't even understand it.
Sweep highlighter from eye.
You'd have to have a makeup bag to put all this in.
No, don't take them out. Excuse me. Okay. We're going to use purple for your eyes.
Which one did you use first? On your eyes. Did you use
I
this
used
one?
all, yeah. Yeah. Okay, can you make a video? Hi guys! We're gonna do a tutorial.
No, we're not doing it for real. Do you know how to do mascara? Open your eye. Blink. You're going ahead of yourself. Open. Blink. Open. Blink. Open. Blink. Don't touch it.
You really know how to do this? This is like in my eyes.
You have to clean it up afterwards. You have to clean up what's under. We're not even in the camera. Scoot forward. Because you're stepping back. Open. Blink. Open. Blink. Blink. Or don't. It's all over the place. Look at that. Open.
That's because of you.
No, it's because of the mascara. It's hard to take off. Now you're laughing, so it's... Come here.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Let me see. Oh. Does that look any better?
That looks like a zombie.
Yeah, he's like, whoa.
Let's get a new piece. Oh my gosh.
Let's try this again. Stop laughing. That's what's making it look like that. You look sleep deprived.
Okay, go.
Stop laughing.
Oh, just a second! My mascara is all broken.
Not all broken.
No, on my